If you want to add a professional signature to your Gmail or remove one without messing up your Gmail settings or losing important formatting, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you step by step how to add, edit, and remove a Gmail signature safely, even if you're a beginner. Stay with me till the end because I'll also share a pro tip that will save you from a common mistake people make with Gmail signatures. Let's get started. First, open Gmail on your desktop because this feature isn't fully available on mobile yet. Once you're inside your inbox, move over to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. That's the settings button. From the drop-down menu, click See All Settings. This will take you to Gmail's full settings page. Now, stay in the General tab and scroll down until you find the section labeled Signature. This is where your magic happens. If you don't already have a signature, click on Create New. Gmail will now ask you to name your signature. This isn't the signature itself. This is just a label to help you stay organized. You can name it things like work, business, or personal, whatever makes sense for you. Once you've named it, hit Create. Below, you'll now see a text editor where you can customize your signature. Go ahead and type what you want to appear at the bottom of your emails. This could be your full name, job title, company, phone number, website, or even a small quote. You can also format it using bold, colors, or even add a small logo or social links if you want to look extra professional. Before you do anything else, this step is critical. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. If you don't hit save, your signature will not be added and Gmail won't warn you. So always save before leaving the page. Now, what if you already have a signature and want to delete it? No problem. Go back into Settings. See All Settings, Signature section. You'll see a list of any signatures you've created. Just click the trash can icon next to the one you want to remove. Gmail will ask if you're sure. Confirm the deletion, and once again scroll down and hit Save Changes. That's it. Simple and clean. You've now learned how to add, customize, and remove a Gmail signature in just a few clicks without messing up your Gmail setup. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe for more smart tutorials like this, and drop a comment if you want a video on advanced Gmail signature tips with images and clickable icons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.